สวัสดีวันคืนอาจารย์ก็เพลงค่ะขอบคุณพระเจ้าสำหรับชีวิตของอาจารย์ค่ะวันนี้ดีใจมากๆเพราะว่าวันนี้วันพิเศษ because it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya, and may the Lord bless you abundantly as you continue to delight yourself in Him and as you continue to serve Him faithfully. I know di sa yun ko yung pag-serve sa Ginoo, but tinuod yun itong gingon ni Paula nga the labor in the Lord is not in vain. So, thank you kay Kuya sa imuhang pagpagamit. And I'd like to take this chance to thank you for introducing Christ to me. Thank you, good kay Koy. I am forever grateful to God for using you. Yun na kong kamalitan, Kuya, and I'm glad to inform you that we are bearing fruits. Praise God for that. And that's all. Happy birthday. Prajaw Waipon ka. I love you. Ate Filia also. And tutumutan and Gaylanlen.
Okay.